What is up guys, Jesse01 here with an all new video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll never miss an upload on any videos. In this video, I'm going to talk about my parrot Polly. She is a Quaker parrot and she is almost a year old. I had Polly for about a month and I'm going to tell you about the pros and cons while having Polly. First, I'm going to start with the positives. Polly is very nice and she's gentle. She doesn't bite. Polly also talks very good and she likes taking showers. The negatives about Polly is that she is very loud and makes a lot of noises. Polly is a yellow and greenish blue parrot. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you want to see Polly in more videos, like and subscribe. Thank you for listening and I hope you watch the rest of this video.